So I'm out the front. I've repotted these begonias, had some out the back, put them here. Once the weather goes cold, I will put them into the greenhouse and hopefully they will survive. But for now, I want to enjoy them out the front. So I planted these by the front door. Can't remember what they're called. These little things, aeoniums or something like that. Hopefully they should survive there. They got a better chance than just being left in pots. So the beds are still pretty weedy, but there's a few nice flowers out. Let me show you. Amongst all the weedy grass, there's some lovely sedum. There is a lovely fuchsia here. Is this mallow? What they call mallow? I can't remember. It's a tree, not a small flower. Oh, let me take you over to another lovely fuchsia. I love this one over here. Look at it. Ooh, sorry bee. It wasn't a bee, but you know, whatever the bug was. Just gorgeous. Look at that. And there's even some asters growing there. Oh, there's a lovely Japanese anemone there. Amongst all this autumnal leaves. There's even one fresh hydrangea bloom. I wanted to show you, this is a fuchsia. This is my thumb. Look how tiny it is. I got it from the Eden Project about 10 years ago. And it's still going. Still obviously very tiny with the flowers, but it's certainly lasted every winter. I am a sucker for a fuchsia. Well, I've got a few more things planted out than I did this morning. A few more things have a better chance of surviving. I think I'm probably going to finish there because show choir starts back up tonight, so I've got to get learning the songs. I think one of them this term is the Bells of Notre Dame. Really nice piece. Goes nice and high. So you have to wait and see how that turns out. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Stand.
I haven't seen a caterpillar for a while.
Quite the caterpillar.
I guess it's the time of year they're going to be eating your cabbages.
Oh, it's a good thing I don't have any then. Oh, he's on the move. He's on the groove.
I wouldn't want to touch that though.
I watched that yesterday.
Slowly going through.
From what?
Anchor last seven.
Just the Netflix show. Live action.
Oh, the live action. Oh.
It's alright. He's not done a bad job compared to the movie.
Oh yeah, true.
Says
It's
he who
just
fell
people
asleep
really didn't like the wig work. So people
watching it.
Sorry?
Says he who fell asleep watching it.
Yeah. I watched, whilst I was formatting the wrong drive on my computer Thursday. I had it right.
Now we're not scrambling. You can look at the